is it that Mark Weston Hair can complete a hair follicle replication procedure in just one sitting when all of our competitors' procedures take multiple sittings? The answer is a lot simpler than you might think. All of these multiple session companies use a single pin needle, and a single needle does not have the ability to carry any pigment under the skin that is used to mimic hair follicles effectively. Also, there are now companies, and even worse, doctors that are claiming to use 3-round and even 5 and 8-round needles to do SMP. Do not be fooled by the claims being made by these doctors and companies that are doing their very best to confuse you. To prove this fact to you, we put together a very simple, short demonstration that will show you how we can complete a hair follicle replication procedure in one sitting using the only patented hair follicle replication system in the world, developed by Mark Weston. For this demonstration, we're going to use what most of the competition claims to be a special needle made just for SMP. But don't be fooled. It doesn't matter what type of cartridge you put in or what type of machine you use to run it. All single needles work the same. They have a smooth shaft from the point to the hilt and have nothing to hold the ink in place on the needle to deposit enough pigment under the skin to leave a lasting mark. The patented Mark Weston system uses a 3-round needle, which is similar to a hypodermic needle in that it holds the pigment in the center between the pins. Our 3-round needle set is also smaller than most single-pin needle sets used by any company or doctor in the industry. Our patented needle set allows us to put in enough pigment under the skin with just one small touch to make a replicated hair follicle permanently. Unfortunately, when using a single needle, many technicians bury the single needle all the way to the stabilizer pins in an effort to try to get the ink to stay. The results are very large points that you see in the photo. While the very small points look great, they'll be gone in just a few weeks. This is why people will keep having to return for multiple sessions and will do so until their head is a very unnatural solid fill-in, a color that likely does not match any remaining hair. To show you what happens when a needle passes through our skin, we've set up the following demonstration with plastic wrap representing the skin. Obviously, plastic wrap is not skin, but what you're about to see is exactly what happens when a needle passes through your skin. As you will see, all of the ink on the single needles get wiped clean as they pass through the plastic wrap. It's no different on your scalp. The majority of the pigment is wiped off. Compare this with the result of the patented 3-round needle to fully understand the effectiveness of the ink delivery to the proper depth of the scalp. Please look closely at the following photos. Every one of these clients' procedures was completed in one appointment, none of which have come back for a touch-up, even those dating back to 2009. The Weston system has a proven track record of delivering what we promised since 2007, years longer than any other company in the world. Our mission is to deliver an excellent job, world-class customer service, and your total satisfaction. Why waste your hard-earned money on a multi-session procedure when the Weston system can do it in just one? Remember, multi-session is not better if done by a doctor or at a hair transplant office. The results will always be the same. If a person with an MD tells you they can do it better than anyone else, you are not being told the truth. To learn more or to schedule your free consultation, please visit us at westonsystem.com.